Welcome all of you for this 2 days free workshop on Career Accelerator in data analytics and reporting. So today we are in day two, wherein we'll be learning about how to actually create the dashboards from scratch. So for that, what all things are required. So I'll be telling you and teaching you and making you work from scratch. Okay. All right. So what are we working today? We are working on dashboard, layout design, then background design. Then we'll be working on icons, buttons design, then again reporting techniques, and also end-to-end project I'll be teaching you people. I will try both in Excel as well as in Power BI, or at least we'll do one complete project. Okay. All right. So I am actually trying to make you people work in both Power BI and Excel. People who have not installed your Power BI, I'll just tell you how to install the Power BI. Okay. So installation of Power BI is for this MS Excel. I'll tell you later. For installation of Power BI, what you have to do is in this PPT, I have given the link, or you can go to website that is Power BI. Let me just click on this. Okay. So this is the website where we land. Okay, so this directly I have actually given the link. This PPT will be shared in the end of the session. So you can go and you can use that, or if you want to download, you can say Microsoft.com and you have this download, or you can also go here and say download Power BI and say enter. You will get the link. See, download Microsoft Power BI. From here also you can download. So to make it more easier, what I have done is I've just given you the link here so that you can go and download. You can see there is one button here, download. Okay. So when I click on this download button, you will get two different versions of Power BI. Okay, so why there are two different versions? Most of the people, they find it very difficult or say confused for installing the Power BI software. Okay, don't worry. I'll tell you which one to download. It is very simple to understand. See, I'll go here. I have Power BI desktop setup, exe, Power BI desktop setup underscore x64. If you're not technically strong, or say if you think that you don't know what to do, which one to download, let me explain. So what we should do is first go to our Windows Explorer here. Okay. What is Windows Explorer? That is where we actually have all these files, folders, and things like that. Here, when you go to Windows Explorer, just scroll down. Here we got this PC. This PC is nothing but that is our PC details. Right click, and here you'll have this properties. Click on this properties. If you click on the properties, what will happen? You'll get some properties. You just scroll down and see here. Here you'll have all the details of your system, the operating system, what you have installed, and your RAM capacity, memory details, and everything. But here we'll have something called as system type. Okay, just check the system type. You just check for me, it is 64-bit. If you have 32-bit or 64-bit, either of them will be there. Now, if you see here, I have this 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, then you have to download 32-bit. Let me go back to the download section. Can you see here? I have this PBI desktop and PBI desktop 64. 64 is for 64-bit. This is for 32-bit. Now you have to decide, depending on your system, which one to download. You can select and then say download. I've already installed it, so again I'll not download because it will take some time. So you download, and then the exe file, whatever is there, you just open that exe file and say next, 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 next. You will get that. End of the session in the group, I will send you the video also how to actually install that as well. I have installed in one of the sessions, so I can send you that also if you feel it so very difficult. Now let me go to this website. You see here, if you're directly going, then let me see. If you're directly going to the website, you will get this, the page. Here we have this advanced download options, and you land to that particular page what I show. But to make it more easier, what I did is in this PPT, let's close all this. In this PPT, I've given the link. Just go and click on this. Directly you land to the download page. Okay. So assume that you people will understand how to install, say download, and then say exe file. Double click on that. The file will give you some information. So one wizard will come. Next, and say install. Done. Okay, this is for installing Power BI. But as of now, for some time, we'll not work on any Excel or Power BI, but we'll work on PowerPoint. You might be thinking, why are we actually working in PowerPoint? But we are actually trying to work on Power BI and Excel for creating the dashboard. Don't worry, people. I'll come back to this. But why I'm actually telling you to work in PowerPoint, I'll tell you. People, whenever I want to design something, let's say I'll go here. If you just see here, I have some background images here like this. Let me open this. You can see there is one image like this. This is the background image. Now, most of the people I've seen, the Power BI, what they do is they have some mindset that we'll create some reports, we'll just create some charts over. That's it. But you just imagine if you want to create something like this. Let me also show you some more designs. Give me a minute. I'll just open. Let me just show you something. Could have taken that before only, but anyways, I'll quickly show you dashboard. Okay. Background images. Okay. See here. These are all some of the images which I've created to teach my students. Okay, see, this is one kind of dashboard. This is one kind of dashboard. See, okay, these are some of the samples. Otherwise, let me also show you something. Let me go here and okay, how to develop dashboard in simple way. Let me open this. This is for one of the sessions I've taken, so don't go with the topic, but I'll be showing you some of the designs. Why I'm actually showing you this is you should be knowing that what all things will be working in dashboard. See, this is the layout actually. I'll make you people work on all this. I'm just showing you, I'm just giving an idea what all things you can do. See here, you can create your dashboard like this is how your dashboard should be. Not just a simple, create some charts, no formatting, nothing. Don't do that. See, these are all some sample dashboards I'm just showing. These are all which I have downloaded for, to understand and create something similar to this. Let me show you, see, this is what I've shown you now. If you see this one, I'm not copying the entire thing, but just took an idea about it. So let me go here, see. You can see that there are very nice dashboards here. Okay, so we can replicate these kind of designs and then we can create our, say Power BI or Excel dashboards so very elegant and more attractive. Okay, so whenever I show these kind of dashboards, most of the people will feel that it's very difficult or very complex. We cannot do this. So what they do, they'll just create only the reports. But people, I'll tell you, creating these dashboard, these kind of designs are very easy. That's why what I'll do is I'll go to this PowerPoint and I'll tell you how actually you can create these kind of designs. If you just understand how to design this, I'll tell you, you people will be more interesting and you people will feel that, okay, let me create more and more of this kind of dashboard. Okay. All right. So now before we go and create these dashboards, you saw a few background images, right? So how much are you people excited to, learn these kind of designings and dashboards? I want all of you to answer. I think very less people are there. Some 42 people are there. How excited are you to learn the dashboards, what I showed, right? To create this kind of, dashboards. Quickly, I want to answer. You can give one word answer also. I'm not expecting some stories. Excited, pretty much, very much, very good. Just want to know how much, interested are you to learn these kind of things? Okay. Good. I can see all of them are very much interested. Good. But people, I promised you that your Sunday, the 2 hours, 2.5 hours will be more productive. Okay. After the session, if I'll ask you people, I'll say, oh, it was so easy. We could have done this kind of dashboards earlier also. Okay. It is so easy actually. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. I'm just feeling so, even I am feeling so excited to teach you people because I'm seeing almost I think 100% of the attendants who are there, 100% of the people who are there here are very much interested to learn to work on these kind of things. Okay. All right. So what we'll do, we'll go slowly one by one and we'll see how we can actually create, this design. I'll take this design only because this has got a lot of things to discuss so that we have the icons to design, then we have the, the reports to design. A lot of things are there, so you can learn lot many things here. So what I'll do, we'll go here and we'll see how we can create the background image. So in this itself, I'll be teaching you how to create the icons, how to create the banners. Okay, you have the banner here, see? Okay. All right. So people, this is what I'll be teaching you how to do. So what you have to do is, first, I'll take a new PPT. Okay. Say here, I'm just taking a new PPT. I don't want anyone to work now. Please do not work parallelly. I'll give you enough time to work. Or I'll be sharing this video for all the attendees who are there till end. I'll be giving you this video like what I did yesterday so that you people can practice later as well. I've taken one new PowerPoint file. Okay. Now you might be thinking, what is the relationship between the PowerPoint and the Power BI or the Excel? You will understand later. But first, we'll forget about Excel. We'll forget about the Power BI. Okay. But only thing now what you have to think is how to create the background image, the icons and things like that. So if you see this, let me just understand the design. So here I have one background image like this, that is black color. Then again, I have some boxes here. Then again, I have some boxes here. I want to create something like this. First thing, you go here, go to insert. If you go to insert, there are many shapes here. You go here, let me just shapes. There are so many various different shapes. Depending on your ideas, your creativity, your innovation, go and select the shapes. So usually what I'll do is I'll take either the square or this one of the rounded corner shapes. See, let me turn this like this. You can turn to 90-degree like this. Just keep it here and increase this. And you have this yellow mark. You can just play around with this. Right? Okay. So for me, I want something in a black color. So what I'll do, I'll go here. I will change this to black color and I don't want the outline. This is just the design what we're actually doing now. Okay. So if you want, you can keep referring that as well, because not always will be knowing the complete thing. So you can keep referring as well if you miss something. Now, I created one part of it. So here it is square. So I'm just showing you with curved edges as well. There is one image here, so you can take it from anywhere. But people, this image what I've taken is again is not copyrighted. Most of the people, what they do, they'll go to Google, they'll copy, they'll say download, and then they'll use it. Never do that mistake. So what should I do? Where will I get the my images which are not copyrighted? What you do is, if you have the new version of MS Office, that is say 2016 and above or 365, go to this insert. A lot many things what we can do in this insert. Here we have something called as icons. Can you see this icons? Click on this icons. When I click on this icons, I'll get one window like this. See here, there are so many icons here, thousands of icons are there. Along with that, we also have images. These images are free and they are from Microsoft. You can use it without fear because they're not copyrighted and you don't have to go to, they're all high definition HD images as well. For me, I want something related to corporate. I'll say you can go search corporate. Let's see. See, I'm getting some images like this. You select any image. Let's say I'll go here. I have one image which I feel is good. Insert. It'll take some time to load. Let it get loaded. See. Or if you think you want any other image, please take. I just took some image. So instead of wasting a lot of time, I just took this. I'll try to reduce this. And I'll keep it here like this. Okay. Don't worry, we'll try to adjust this like this. Keep it wherever you want like this. Select. So you should have patience, first, people. Okay. Patience is very much important in this particular designing. I'll say send it back. We keep it somewhere here. Now you might be thinking, how will I actually use this? I'll make a copy of it, say Control C, Control V. I'll just keep it here for time being. Always, you have this habit of making copy of it. Let me select this shape, sorry, image and this shape. I'll go to shape format, and here you can see there is something called as merge shapes. Click here. See here I have this combine fragment something. I'll click on this fragment. You know what happens when I click on this? See, can you see this? Now I'll select this and this too. Go to picture format or shape format anywhere. We'll have this align. Say align left, align top. Done. Can you see this? Where is that image? It's gone behind. I will select this, right click, and here I'll say format shape. Let me see here. I have this fill. Let me make it slightly transparent. See? Understood? To fill is easy. Most of the people, what they think that we should be more advanced in Photoshop, Corel Draw or something. How much time it took? Few seconds. So you should learn these kind of people. I'll tell you, these are all very, very easy to work with. See how much time it took, right? Now, if I ask you people, can you do this? You'll say within fraction of seconds you can. Now, don't think that, oh, I didn't know this. I'm not good in designing. Only thing is, you people were not, you didn't get a chance to explore this. Now you got a chance to explore this, right? Now, if you ask me, you can easily do this, correct? All right. Now, I want this part where I'll be creating the reports. So this part, what I've created now, this is for, let's say, the buttons, the filters and things like that. What we have here, see all these buttons and things like that. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. I want to create this part. Okay, this part. Say for this, what I'll do, I'll take insert shape. Here I have one shape here like this. I'll put it here. From here, I'll increase this. See. Now, let me change this to gray color. It's a light gray color, and I'll remove this. See, I got one background like this. Yes, sir. Next, I want all these shapes so that I can put my reports here. This is what this is, just a small square. That's it, nothing else. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'll do, I'll go here, insert. I take the shape. Can you see this shape just now we took? Select this and hold control so that you'll get square. Or say shift, sorry. You can hold shift to get the square. Again, I'll show you insert, shape, and I'll select this. See, hold shift, it'll be square. Otherwise, it will not be square. I want a square shape, so I'll go here. I'll select like this. Done. Let me make it some more smaller. I'll keep it here. How many squares do you need? 4 squares. You can hold control and shift and you can drag, say 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 shapes. Control and shift you can drag. Otherwise, you can also do one thing. Let me delete this. Can you see here? I have this one shape. Then again, I have one more shape here for the reports and some label here. So what we'll do, we'll go here. We'll keep this here. Some more smaller. Make a copy of it. Keep it here like this. And we can make one placeholder like this. Bring it front. See, this is white color. Go here, shape format, and I'll make it white color. And the border, I'll make it light color like this. Or you can take some more color like this. Outline will make it in line like this. See, this one is some orange color. I'll go here and I'll take some orange color, but don't worry. I'll tell you there is something called a swatch where we can take all these colors and we can place it. That will do later. Now I have this one placeholder. I'll just increase this. And here I have one line. How to create that? See, I'll go here, insert, shape, and I'll take one line. I'll just put it here like this. If you think you want to resize, please resize. Okay, I will make this line very thin and we'll change the color. See? Done. Now there is one text box there. You can go to insert and I'll say shape. I'll take this text box. Text box is what? For the text box. Say to type the text somewhere here, just go here. I'll say total sales. Take this. And I'll keep it here like this. Let me reduce this. I'll take Arial and I'll make it as 12. Keep it here. And then reduce the font size. I'll make it as 10. I will change the color to gray color. See? Done. Now what we'll do, we'll select all these shapes. Say this one, hold control and you can select. Now see, I can make it 4 copies. Hold control and shift. Say 1, 2, 3, and one more 4. See? So quickly we could do. If you want, you can increase this. See? Done. Now we just go here and see there are 4 colors we need to take. Okay. Usually what we do is we'll have something called a swatch. What is that swatch? I'll tell you. So we'll go here. I'll just take all these 4 shapes. I'll tell you how to get the color of this. You can go here. I'll just paste it here like this. Okay. Just keep all this together. Just keep it here like this. You don't need to arrange this because for me, I just need a color. I'll take one new sheet and I'll keep it somewhere. So this is like the color form. Okay, so I'll just keep it here. So whatever color I need, I can take. So usually, if this is an image, let's say this is an image, you don't worry. If this is an image, so what I'll do for your sake, I'll just convert this into image. Say Control X, Alt ES. You can paste this as image. See, this is an image now. If you think there is an image and I need to get the color code of it, what you do? See here, I have one shape here, right? I want this orange color. For this, I need green color, but exactly this color I need. So what I can do, see here, we can take one shape. Let's say I'll take one shape. Just take one shape. Go to this shape format, fill color. See, here I have this eyedropper. It's called as eyedropper. Click on this and I'll click here. See. Now if you go here, that color will be available. Let me again select this shape. Then I'll say eyedropper, click on this green color. See, I'll get this color here. So likewise, what I can do, I can select the shape and here I'll say eyedropper, select this. Okay, now the blue one, go here, I'll say eyedropper and I'll select this. See, all the 4 colors I got. Now let me go back to my design. See, select this shape format, click on this over, select this and I'll say which color is next, green. Next, blue. And after that, pink. I don't want the line. Select by using control and you remove the line. See, over. How quickly we would do this. So easy. Done. Now, the next one. See this one. This one is again same color. And I have this box also here. Let me go back. See here, this one. Select this. There are three boxes only, right? Three reports only. Hold these three. Control and drag it down, or you can hold shift also. See, and just drag it down till here. Okay. Group it so that you can have uniform size like this. See, and I'll take it till here. Over. Right click, group, ungroup. See. Now these three shapes. This one. I'll go here. You can bring it front. If you think that it is going behind, just say bring it front. You can keep it somewhere here, drag it like this. Okay, so you can still increase this if you want. So we'll just make it. See? Now make a copy of it by holding Control and Shift. Select here. It's down. Okay, sorry. Let me take this. We'll go here and I'll take this orange. Okay, this one, which color is that? It's a green color. Select this and say green. Select this and we'll say blue color. Done. My background image is ready. All right. So if you see, I have these shapes and I have these shapes. All the placeholders are ready and we can change this later. The text and all we can change. But for me, I'm just, first creating the placeholders because we need to create the icons and things like that. Now my sidebar is ready. My the area for creating the reports is ready and the shapes are ready. Okay. So likewise, I also have done the same thing here for the second page. So you don't have to do that. Now what I want you people to do is, I want you people to work on this part. Then next what we'll do is, we'll see how we can create the icons. And then I'll tell you how to insert the logo. And I'll tell you how, we'll go step by step. So first I want you to work on this. Try to work on this. If you're not able to do, don't worry. The images are already there. We can keep using that image for creating our dashboard. Okay. So I'll give you 10 minutes, people. Work on this, finish this and message me done. Then we'll go further. Right, people? Right. The people. Okay. So now it is 1:05. So 1:15 is what again I'll come back. And then I want to see all of you. If you have any questions, you can post in the chat box and I'll reply. But I'll be on mute. Please work on this. So this is the sample actually. So you can use this. Don't create these icons. I'll tell you how to create these icons later. But for me, I just want only this background image, the design you have to create. Okay. So Nivedita is saying that I missed the part of adding the image in the left. Would you mind explaining the steps? Why not? Quickly, we'll do that. See here. Nivedita, if you're actually listening, just see here. I'll just go to that particular image. See. Let me take a new. Okay, I've taken the new slide. So what I did is I'll just go to this insert. I'll say shape. It can take any shape. I just took this shape. Okay. So I'll just make it like this. Okay. Then I just increased. So this is like something like a sidebar what I've taken. And then I made a copy of it. I'll go to this insert. Here I have this icons. And then we have the image. Okay. And you can select any image. I just took, say, I'll take this image. So once I get this image, I can reduce this. Okay. Send it back. Select this and this image. Go to this shape format. And here we have this fragment. Okay. First, let me select this image. Okay. Click on this fragment. First, select the image. And then see, I'll get this. And I'll just give this above here. And then I'll say right click, format shape, and then I'll make it transparent. Got it? Nivedita? Okay. Right, people, all of you done? So I guess you would have done. If it's not done, so don't worry. We have the images here. Okay, so we can use these images only. So don't worry, we can use these images for working on the project. So I just want you people to be aware that we can create something like this. We can use the shapes in PowerPoint and we can do this kind of background image. All right. The next, okay, the next one is suppose you think that I want to create the icons. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, say I want to create the icons. People, 1 minute. Right. Okay. So next is suppose I want to create some icons like this. Okay, I want to have some icons. So either I can take the icons here in the image itself, or I can create the icons and I can put that in the Power BI also. So as of now, what we'll do, we'll go here. We'll try to understand how we can actually put this icons here. Also, I'll tell you how we can put the icons in the Power BI as well. Both I'll teach you. Suppose you think I want to have one icon here. So what I'll do here, I have this insert and I have this icons. Okay. When I click on this icons, you saw that I have this icons here. Say here I have so many icons. The advantage here is, you can change the color of this as well. So I'll go here. Say, for example, I'll say analytics. See, I'm getting so many various different icons. So how to insert this? Let's say I'll take one icon like this. Select whichever you want. Let me just take one more icon. Let's say I'll take this. And then let me take this one. And one more, let me take this. So I've taken 4 icons. I'll say insert. See, I got all these 4 icons here. Now, the advantage here is we can change the color of it. Just go here, graphics fill, and I'll click on white color. Okay, you keep it somewhere here so that you'll know that where are the icons. Take this icon wherever you want. You can just keep it here. You can just reduce that. See, like this. Let me take this. I'll reduce and I'll keep it here. Take this, keep it here. And this one, I'll reduce and I'll keep it here. See, simple. That's all. So you don't have to bother at all. You don't have to break your head. Everything is very simple. Now, next is, so we learned about how actually we can insert the icons inside the image itself. That is inside the frame, that whatever we have designed. But what if I want the icons as a separate image and then I'll insert that into my Power BI. So here what I've done, I've taken some icons here, okay, separately. How to create these kind of icons separately? So here one thing I told you that the icons are actually added inside the image itself. But I want the icons to be as a separate image. So for that, what I'll do, let me go here. I'll just delete this. And I'll take one shape because I want white color here. So I'm taking one shape here so that I can put my icons here. Because the background, if the icon is white, we cannot see the icons properly because the background also is white. So what I'll do, I'll go to this insert and I'll say icons. Insert one of the icons, say any icon. Let's take. Okay, let me take this icon. Okay, insert. I have this icon. I want this icon to be saved as a separate image, which I can take it into Power BI. So what I'll do, I'll go here. Since I want this to be white color, select graphics, I'll say white. Now you just see what I'll do. Right click and here I say save as picture. Just go here, right click and say save as picture. It'll ask, to save the picture. Now I'll take my folder here. See that I'll just go to this icons and I'll paste it. Okay, here if you just select, there are so many various different formats to save. Save this in PNG format. PNG means portable network graphics. What is this PNG? I'll tell you. This will give me the background as transparent. Now I'll say I'll make it as books and say save. Done. Now if you go to this folder and if you see here, see icon is saved here. Since it's white color, it's giving me something like this. Don't worry, when it comes to this Power BI, when we take that, I'll show you how actually you can take the icons. But how to save it? Just one I'll show you. I cannot show every icons. It will take a lot of time otherwise. So you can see that I just saved here. We can resize later, no problem. Otherwise, also you can reduce the size here and then save. So what I did is just to show you people. I just took one icon, saved it as PNG format. Make sure that you're saving it in PNG format. Okay. All right, people. So we understood about how to actually create the background image, right? The design. Here we did one design. Where is that? Sorry. See the background design and also icons. Now what we'll do is I will select this entire thing. Okay. Select all the shapes here. I want to have an image out of it. So I selected all this, right click, and here I'll say save as picture. Again, I'll say save as picture. Usually what I'll do, I'll go to that particular folder. I made some folders, right? It'll be easy for me to go to that particular folder. I'll go to that folder. So here I'll say background image for project. Say enter. Done. So what I did, I just saved this picture as background image. Now this image will be available here. See, double click and I'll show you. Can you see that? This is my understood. So either I can put the icon here or I can ignore the icons. Later I can take these icons or you can put that in the image itself. Now we understood how we can save that as a background image. Also we saw how to create the icons. These two things are done. If you go to the second step, let's go here. People, I've just given this step by step because it will be easy for you to understand. That's it. Otherwise, all this you can do together, not a problem. Okay. Let me go here to second step. See the background image I've saved here, right? Now I need to take this to Power BI. So this task will finish. It will not take much time. After that, I'll give you 10 minutes so that we can create the icons and insert the image. Now what I'll do, I'll open my Power BI. Let me go here. I'll open my Power BI. Okay. So now whatever image we just created, we'll try to import that. Here I'll show you two things. One more image I'll try to save. Let me delete this icons. Okay. I want to show you both the ways. I will save this. Previously it was with the icons. Till this Power BI gets open, so I'll go here and I'll make one more copy of it. Say save picture as. Okay, make it as 2. In this case, we can save it as PNG or JPEG. Not a problem because I, not ignoring any background. So no worries. I'll take both the images here. I'll take a blank report. Okay. Now please concentrate. Now we assume that I have created the background image with any kind of designs and things like that. Now what I want is that image, whatever is there, the layout, whatever we have created, that should be in my Power BI. So what we'll do, see here, right click anywhere and say format. It will take me to the format pan here. You can see this canvas settings, page information and canvas background. Okay, we have this. We can go to this canvas background. And can you see this here? It says browse. Click on this browse. It will ask for the image. So I'll go to that image where we just created. The image what I have created will go there only. Can you see this? I have this image. I will. So you can see that I have both the images, right? So first I'll take with icons. Oh. I took that, right? Selected. That is because can I see the transparency? It is 100%. Let's reduce this. See? Is it coming properly? No. So what I should do, I'll go here. Can you see this? We have this image fit. I'll say fit. See? Or if you think, you want to go for fill, that also is fine. See? Can you see that with icons? I got this. Right. So this is one way where I got this background image. Let me take another page. And this time I'll say browse. And I'll take without icons. Again, transparency 0. Here I'll say fill. Can you see that I don't have the icons here? How to take the icons? Let me show you. I'll go to insert. And here I have this image. Okay. Click on this image. I will go to this icons. We just created books, right? I'll just take this. Say open. See? Can you see that? I told you it's PNG. Can you see that it's transparent? If it was JPEG, you know what happens? It will be white background. Wherever you put, it will cover. Okay. Now I can reduce this. See, and I can keep it here like this. You can either create the image there and you can, directly you can take the icons or you can bring that here. Got it? So this is how actually we can start, creating any kind of designs. You can create any kind of design. See, I showed you so many designs, right? So if you go here, let me just show you canvas and then I'll say browse. I'll go to the designs what I just showed you, right? In that Power BI. I'll go to my dashboards. See here, I have so many images. Select anything. Say, for example, I want to create some reports like this. See, select. Say, I'll remove this transparency and I'll say fill. See, got it. So most of the dashboards which I've seen, people actually don't bother about the format. But if you just see this, you will feel it looks very, elegant, and the reports what you create is same. But only thing is the way we show will be little unique. The people or say the client will feel very happy about the kind of dashboard what we show. I'll show you how to do this in the Excel as well. Okay, but before that, before I give this won't take much time because already you people would have taken the background image. So I'll give you 10 minutes. But before that, people, all of you, I want all of you to message and tell now how do you feel? Okay, Sumit is asking what is fill and fit. See, fill means see, it will try to fill the entire canvas. Entire canvas. See here, let me just show you. See, fit. See, fit means see it will take the entire canvas. But fit, what it will do is it will try to fit according to the say, sorry, fill. What it will do is according to whatever image I've taken, right? You can see that it's going and stretching here. Say fit. See, it is stretching here. Can see that the image is stretching. But when I say fill, so whatever image you have created, it will be exact. It will take here and it will try to fit to this edges from here till here. But here it's all the force and it's trying to fit. So you just go ahead, you don't have to bother whether I should select fit or fill. Anything which looks good, you just select that. So don't bother too much about this. But only thing is this fit what it will do, all the force it will try to fit. That's it. Okay. All right. So now people, okay. Now I want you people to answer quickly. I'll just give you 1 minute so that you people can start working on this. How do you feel now about the but dashboards what you're actually trying to create, or say previously you've done something, right? Already you created. So now don't you think it is more easier for us to create the modernized dashboards? Quickly, I'll just give you 1 minute. And after that, you can use the background image which I've already given, or you can actually create your own and you can take that. Well, I want some energy in you people. I'm asking you this so that I can check whether you people have got confidence. Not for me, because I've already learned all this. It's easy and you can create more advanced kind of dashboards as well. Okay. There are a lot many other things also. I'll be showing you. Now take 10 minutes and quickly finish this. Yes, we can. We can. We can control all the spaces, everything we can do. That all depends on our, the dashboards, what we actually create. Don't worry. In the next, the task, I'll explain all those things as well. Right, so now it is 1:32. I'll just give you 8 minutes. 1:40 is what again we'll proceed. Then we'll learn about the banners, the buttons, and also I'll show you how actually you can insert the logos. And then we'll try to import the data and then we'll start creating the reports as well. Okay, right. Quickly finish this. I'll give you time till 1:40. I'll be on mute for a few minutes. Okay. Okay, people done? All of you? Right. People, before I go to next, the buttons, the banners. Okay. How are you people feeling? Is it boring? The question is it boring? Now you can answer yes or no. No. Okay, good. Then I think I'll teach you more now. Okay. Exciting. Very good. Rakesh. Rakesh, very good. You have done wonderful job, but try to remove that borders. Okay, it looks good. Try to remove the borders and the icon colors you can change. But otherwise, it looks very good actually. Good. Okay. Right, people. So we learned about now. All of you stop typing the message. Just listen what I say. Let's again go back to this PowerPoint, and now I'll tell you how to create the banner. Let me explain what is banner, and then we'll see how actually we can use the buttons, and then we'll see how we can insert text, and also we'll see how to insert logo to the project. Okay. So what I was actually telling is, see, anything whatever you put here, you can just select and say convert that into image, and you can take it in the background in Power BI. But for Excel, it's totally different. And I'll tell you how to take this into Excel. Now, because Excel it is very easy, you don't have to bother like this. In Excel, it is very easy. So that's why I just kept that. In the end, we'll do that. Now, if you see here, I want a banner. Now, what is banner? Banner means it is like a title where I actually show here. This title. So what I'll do here in this case, I will say insert. I'll take one shape like this and I'll keep it here like this. I want the title like this. And I will change this to black color, no line. Let me arrange this. You should also be knowing about how to arrange this. See, it should be the same line like this. So this is my banner. See, did that take much time? Very easy. So, okay. I want to make it more, elegant and say more attractive. So what I'll do, let me go here, insert, and here I have a shape like this. See, it's not necessary, but just to make it more, look good. Let me keep that here. And I'll try to adjust this like this. Let me take some orange color like this. And I'll remove the, see, let me keep this somewhere here like this. Hold shift so that it will be in a straight line like this. Make a copy of it. Okay, hold control and shift, you can drag it. Control shift, drag it. And one more, I'll say control shift, drag. Okay, now you can drag a window like this. If you want, you can go here and I can make some alignment like this. See? Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll select the first box. I'll go to this transparency. I'll make it as 25%. And second one I'll select and I'll make it 50%. And then I'll go here, I'll make it reverse of the. Then this one will say 50 and this one 70. See, you can see that it's like I'm sharing of this. Yeah. So you can do something like this, or if you think you want to have some other kind of banners, you can do that also. So whatever you feel good, you check some of the designs and try to trace it out. That's now I took banner. Now let's say I want to add one logo. What is logo? Logo is something about the company. It defines about the company. It can be an image, text, or whatever. So what I'll do, let me go and check if the logo is there. If it is there, it's fine. Otherwise, we'll see what we can do. Let me check if the logo is there. Otherwise, I'll check that. You see here. I think we have not taken the logo here. Okay. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll open this image. Okay. Okay. So you can open that in the step one, whatever is there. See, I'll just take this. Okay. Copy this and I can paste it there. But all you have the logo, you can take that. But since I don't have the logo, I'll just copy this. So you can also go to that particular image and you can copy and paste. See, I copied and paste. And then I'll go to this line. I'll take one line. Hold shift so that you'll get a straight line. I'll put it here like this. The line will take gray color like this. I think I want to reduce it like this. I'll hold control shift and drag it down like this. See? And if you think, I want this text to be one, insert. I'll take this text box, say designed and by material, will say 12. I'll make it. Okay, make a copy of it. And here I'll say high-tech analytic solutions. Bold, I'll change the color. I've taken the logo. Logo, if you have any image, you can please use that. For me, I didn't have the logos, I just copied and pasted. And I've taken these lines here. That's all. So likewise, we can add anything is required. Now here, what I'll do, I'll remove all these so that I can type this in the the Power BI itself. Okay. All right. So again, if you want to take this, I'll copy this. I can select all this, right click, and here I'll say save as picture. Let me go to the background image again. Here I'll make it as 3. Okay. Then I can import. Suppose I want some buttons. Let's say I want some buttons. Then I'll go here. Let's say I'll take one shape like this. And you can go here, you can put some gradient color on this button. Let me make it as linear. So you can go and you can do some R&D on this. You can check how your button should be like this. Okay. Let me change this color to something like this. Let's make it. Okay. So this is my button. So I'll make the border as white color. Okay. See. Now this button, don't merge with the image here. Keep it as a separate so that you can insert that button how many ever you want. So what happens if you insert this with you save this as an image? What happens? This will become like part of it. So I will go here again. I'll say right click and say save as. This one I'll save it as picture. Let me put it in icons. And say. Understand why I took a separate button? Now you just say I'll go here. Instead of this, I'll say I'll remove this background image. So this background image. I'll take this 3, say open. Okay, we'll say. Right. Now I want that button. See here, the logo, the pan, see how it looks. Now I want this button. So what I can do, I'll go to this insert, say image, and I'll go to that folder. See, you can see that. Reduce this. See, I can put that button. If I were to take that as an image, then I cannot remove it because it will be fixed. Now, what I can do is I can go here, I can copy and paste this. See. And just to show you people, I just see. So people, this is about the design. So till here, okay, we have done the designing part. So till here, we have done the designing part. Now, to import the data, we need to import the data. But before that, what I'll do, I'll also show you how to do this in the Excel. Excel is very easy. Let me show you. Let me open an Excel file. In Excel, you don't have to do all this like background image or don't do that. Then what should I do? I'll tell you. In Excel, we already have the shapes. Can you see this? Insert. See. You don't have to create in Power BI, say PowerPoint and then import it. All these icons, shapes, everything is available in the Excel itself. So you can directly go and design. Same thing what we did, we can do it here. But suppose if you already designed, so what you can do is, let me go here. Say for example, see I have designed something like this. Or let's state what we have done only. See, this is what I've done. So this one I'll just keep it. So let it be. Control A, Control C. And I'll go here to my Excel and say Control V. See, can you see that? Because all these are shapes which are there in PowerPoint. See, understand what I did? I just Control C, Control V because all the shapes, whatever is there in PowerPoint, same thing are there in Excel also. So you don't have to bother, to everything. See, Control V, done, over. It's that simple. So that's why I didn't show in Excel because you can easily copy and paste. Okay, all of you understood? Okay. Now what we'll do is this one question. Let me just take. Is it lagging? Okay. So people, I think it's because of the network. It started raining here. I think because of that. So please, I think you should bear. Right. So people, what we'll do is we'll try to go to this Power BI. We'll try to import the data. We'll try to import the data. How to import the data? We know that how to do this. Let's go to this Home tab, get data. Here I have this Excel workbook. Click on this, and I'll go to that. See, see, I select this data, and we'll say once I say load, what happens? The data is getting loaded. People creating Power BI dashboards or Excel dashboards are easy. You can create that in half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours or something very easily. But the background, the data, whatever is there, to arrange that, okay, that is actually very important. Since we are just learning only about how actually we can create the dashboard, so now you're finding it very easy. But people, a lot of things you have to learn when it comes to the data part. If the data is completely clean, structured, everything. So you don't have to bother. See, I have the data here. I can now easily create the report. Okay. So before creating the report, what you do is try to import your image like this with the logo if you have, create a banner and everything. Finish this, and then I'll tell you how actually you can start creating these reports dynamically by using the slices. So I'll give you 10 minutes, people. Okay. After this, we'll try to work on the dashboard. That is, we can create some reports here. We can, already we have the icons. We know how to insert the icons, the labels. I'll tell you how actually you can create the reports very quickly by using all this data what we have dynamically by using all slicers, filters, and everything. I'll show you. Take 10 minutes, finish this task. Then after that, there is only one thing, that is creating the reports. We'll work on that. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll give it 10 minutes, finish it off. Then after that, we have not many things to work on the reports part. We'll work on. Rakesh, I have given time to work. Okay, I'm not teaching anything, so that's why I'm not speaking. It's another 2 minutes. Okay, then we'll continue with the reports. Another 1 minute, people. Finish it quickly, then we can go for reports. Excel, you don't worry, it is very easy. So you just have to copy and paste if you already designed, or directly you can design in the Excel directly. Okay. Right, people, will continue. So I'm feeling that you people are working on this and learning a lot of things. All right. So before I go to next topic, so do you think that this Sunday, okay, I think almost 1 hour, 1.5 hour or something, right? 1.5 hour. Do you think it was productive, people? So you feel that yes, I spent Sunday in a very good time. Yeah, learning something. Very good. Very good. Okay. So lot many things are there. Okay, still more. So whatever we did till now was designing part. The next is about the technical part. Okay. All right. So I want all of you listen here. Okay. Let me go here to this PPT. Visible? Okay. So we learned about how to install. Let's recap quickly so that will not miss anything. Then we saw how to create the background images, then icons, buttons, right? Then we also saw how to insert this image and things like that. So till here, whatever we did, it was the designing part. Okay, so you have to do lot many, but you should have a lot of patience. Go and check all the. There was one PPT which I showed, right? So many images were there. If you want, I can send you that also. Keep it with you. Whenever you think that you want to create some reports, you can do that reports. Okay, but people, whatever we did till now, it's just very simple thing because everything is available for me. Everything is available. Say I have given the designs, I've given all the ideas about how to create the icons and things like that. And when I imported data also, the data was already cleaned. But I'll tell you the real analytics. Okay, will come when you know how the data is coming, in which format the data is, how to clean the data, how to write the formulas. When I get some data, okay, how actually I should format the data, or say what client actually speaks to me, what client requirement is. Okay, so this is what actually you should learn. Not many things are there. Now, my question to all of you, okay, including people who are offline here and people who are online. So, how many of you actually are more interested in the career of data analytics? The career of data analytics. So this is completely like career accelerator, right? So most of them actually think that, okay, let me just learn only Power BI or SQL or something. So my question is, how many of you actually think that you want to be a data analyst with all the complete technical skills? Good, good. Okay, very good. So whenever, I'll tell you, whenever you want to become a analyst, okay, data analyst, business analyst or something, you should first start from scratch. Whatever you're doing now is almost what you're sending to the client, the design, whatever you're trying to do. But people, I'll tell you, there are not many things you have to work out. So let me just show you something. Okay. We have something called as the roadmap to this career accelerator with data analytics, that is by using this data analytics and report. Let me just walk you through that so that you'll get an idea. Okay. So whenever you think that you want to learn data analytics, it's not so easy that I'll just create one image or say one dashboard input, or I'll learn some Excel or Power BI and then send it to the client. So here, let me just explain about it. See, when I say data analyst, there are a lot many things you'll have to learn. So we have a course called as Career Accelerator in Advanced Data Analytics and Reporting. So what are things that you have in this particular course, and just explain so that you'll get an idea. Later on, you can decide, whether I'm actually capable of it or whether it is required for me, or we can join this course, or can I, think about it. Left click. The course actually what we're doing is Career Accelerator, which has got the skill development. First step is the skill development. Skill development. What are we learning now, right? Whatever things we are learning now, this is we are developing our skills. So we have to start from scratch. Just like that, say, I learn Excel, I learn Power BI, I learn SQL. It's not that. Never do that. You should be so equipped, so very, easily equipped such a way that anything given to you, the data, you should be able to understand that and start creating the reports, analyze the data or something like that. To do that, you need to work on projects. But for projects, if you want to work on projects, say for example, now, when I'm actually talking about some images and all, some of you are already aware, some of you are not aware. The people who are aware, it's easy for them. People who are not aware, they're taking some time. So to work on these projects, you need to have the skill development. Now, when I say projects, based on all these skills, so you'll be working on projects, and these projects are not just simple projects. It will be like whatever projects I have worked, say the challenging projects, but not the live projects. You might ask, why not live projects? Live projects, no one can actually give you because they are all, very confidential. Then what kind of projects we are working here? The real-time projects. So what's the difference between real-time projects and live projects? Live projects are the one which is ongoing, which the client actually we are interacting. Real-time is which is already done, but we mock the data. That is, we don't give you the original data, but we'll just give you the scenario. We'll give you all kind of input so that you can start working on the projects. Internship. There are some students, okay, who just want to work and see how actually we can improve our skills. So for them, we give internship. Then after that, there are some Microsoft certifications. Microsoft certification means you'll be certified from Microsoft. That is MCP, Microsoft Certified Professionals. Apart from all this, we have started one batch. Okay, we recently started one batch wherein now we are making you people work rather than just learning. We make the people work and we are giving you the experience letter. This experience letter is valid and it is genuine that any kind of verification we do, right? Any kind of verification the company does, we are there to answer. But this will be non-paid, experience letter. Don't think that it's experience letter where we get a job or something. Why we are actually giving this experience letter, I'll tell you. Most of the institutes are giving you the course completion certificate. You know what happens if they give the course completion certificate? They think that you're just having knowledge. But what is the meaning of experience letter? It is nothing but your experience in working on that. So we make you people work so that the experience letter what you submit will give you more weightage for your profile. Because nowadays, if you see, you apply for a job, you're not getting the job. But this is one more try what we're actually giving. Say, when the COVID started, we started with this data, analytics and data science courses, wherein we started giving them the certifications, which made the people to get job easily. Then we also included internship in that. Now the trend is that you need to have more experience, but without work, without job, how will you get the experience? So for that, we took one more step forward. You know, for the current situation, whatever is there, we thought let us think about giving experience letter, not just as certificate. So we'll be giving that in the letterhead with the genuine, C incidents and everything, and you will be, when you get a job, the verification who comes here, we are there to verify that as well. And we're not going to just like that give you the experience certificate. The experience certificate is given for the projects what you've worked. But what kind of skill sets you'll be learning? Will be there. But people keep one thing in mind. If anybody thinks that we'll get a job immediately, that is not possible. And please keep in mind that we always are very transparent, saying that if I say that no, we cannot get you a job, I cannot promise you the job guarantee. People might think that these people are taking money and they're not getting the job. You go anywhere to the biggest of the biggest institute. I get calls from many institutes as well who are on top, one top second. They call us and they'll ask for us. Why we actually, I cannot name them. Why? Because see, placement is job is not just like that we can do. It should be, there should be some opening in that company, then only I can do the job. So please keep in mind. But to get at least reference or say to get interviews, you need to have all this. Then only you can go to your placement. Let me explain about what all things you'll be learning here. Say in the skill development, you'll be learning about the Excel, macros, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, Python. So we concentrate more on Python on all this. Then data cleaning. Then again, dashboard designing. Now what you're seeing, right? That is this part. Then automation techniques and reporting techniques. So these things will be learning in depth, I'm telling, and you'll be working along with us. Not just you're just getting some trainings. After that, you'll go and say this will go up to say if someone is coming full time, it will be around 3.5 months. Suppose if you're coming on only on weekends, it might take 3.5 months to 4 months, depending on whether you are a student full time or the professional who is coming in weekends. For the professionals, we don't concentrate on this one, experience certificate. Why? Because they're already experienced, already they are in the company. So our experience certificate might not be so valid for the people. So for that, we have a different approach to get the jobs. Okay. So that depending on each candidate, I'll just decide how actually we should improve their placement skills. Okay. After that, you'll be working on the projects. Then after that, these are the certifications what will be working. So this you can go and check. It is worth $100 actually. These two you'll get in this particular course. Placement assistance, we are actually giving you the resume building, LinkedIn. There are a lot of things to update in the LinkedIn, so that I will help you using this chat GPT. You can also do. Along with that, I'll also be helping you. Interview question and answers, mock interviews, personality development, grooming. Say, for example, now you want to go and speak to people. You're very good in English. If you don't know how to speak, again, you might not get the job. So this one and this course, you all can take. And what are job opportunities you can see? MI specialist, business analyst, data analyst, or data engineers actually can take this kind of courses. Okay. So what you'll be learning in the entire course, you'll be learning about data visualization using these technologies, programming skills by macros and Python. If anybody is interested in learning R, we can include that also, but that will be optional. If anybody wants, we can teach that, but that will be optional. Then we have this database management, that is Access and SQL Server we are teaching in depth, I'm telling. Then automation techniques by using macros and Python. Then analytics, reporting and dashboarding techniques by advanced Excel. And here we also have the Power BI. I think it's not mentioned here, but we are using this Power BI and the Tableau as well. Okay, so Power BI and Tableau also we are actually teaching. These are all some of the benefit here and check this. I'll be sending you this PPT to you. Okay, if you are interested to join, come into this data analytics. Now, coming to the price, let me come straight away to the price. Okay. So people, this entire course, okay, we actually charge 62,960 actual cost. But people who are actually interested to come to this particular data analytics, who are very much interested, who wants to get into this as a career, okay, you go and check the same course in internet with other institute and see the price, what they're actually charging for offline classes. I'm telling. Online classes, yes, they can charge you very less, but again, I'm not sure how effective it will be. I'm talking about the online class. Here you'll be getting multiple batches, lifetime access to offline classes, lifetime access to videos, e-learning, everything you will get. Okay. So this will cost you 45,000. That is if you pay today. Because the batch is starting on 12th. 12th is what the batch is starting. Suppose if you think, after 11th you're paying, then you have to pay the GST and the app charges. But suppose if the batch started and the 15,000 cost, whatever is there, that you can actually have to pay. Okay. But if you think you want to join 45,000, I'll be bearing the GST and I'll be not charging you for the app. That I'll be bearing the 2.6%. Whatever. So it is completely flat. So if this is for one installment. But most of the people actually, they find it, if you think that it's too heavy, then installment facilities, wherein you can pay that in 2 installment or 3 installment. The first installment will be 30,000 and it is 25,000 plus GST I'm telling. So that's why it's coming to 30,000. And we have this 3 installment facilities. Suppose if you think you want to go for 3 installment, 17,500 is the fees. First installment with GST and app charges, it will come to 21,180. But I'll promise you that the entire course, whatever is there, is in depth. Almost 3.5 months is what the course. After that, the projects. After that, you'll be working with us and you'll be getting the experience letter. And if you are getting job within this period, say in 3 months or 3.5 months only, don't worry, you can shift to weekend classes as well. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. And this, whatever I mentioned here, all the skills will be taught by either Sri Vidya and myself. And we don't bring anyone from outside and again put you into trouble. Because if you bring people from outside, you know what happens? If they are getting into some project or say if they are not coming, then again you will be the loser. But since we are there, you can attend any number of batches, morning batch, evening batch, anytime when we are conducting batches, you can attend them. Okay. So this is about the roadmap, whatever is there for the Career Accelerator in Data Analytics. We still have, I'll teach you about the reportings. Don't worry. Don't think that I'm just telling you this and we'll stop. I'll teach you the complete reports, whatever is there. That topic I'll do. But now, people, okay, see the batch is starting from 12th June. That is from this Wednesday. A new batch is starting. Already one batch is started. Now another batch is starting from the 12th June. Okay. So if you want to pay this, you can go with this link. See, I have removed all the GST and everything for the people. Directly you can pay. No, you have to go put some coupon code or something. Nothing like that. I made it very easy. You can just go here. You can pay it. Okay. Right. So now, before stop, how many of you are actually interested to go to this? How many of you are actually interested? I'll give you 1 minute. If you want to answer, you can answer. Pratibha is my student. She's already in the career accelerator. Okay. Anybody else interested for BBA course only? No problem. Rajesh, we can speak that. No problem. We'll speak about the BBA course. Anybody there accelerator? If you still want to clarify a few things and if you want to speak later, you can call me. You can speak to me later. Also, you can decide. That's not a problem. anything course, okay, VBN dashboard, you can call me later after the session. You can mention. Sure, no problem. Rock you D'Souza, you can call us. We will surely help you in understanding. Okay, don't worry. Please do not worry. Like institutes don't keep calling you and keep breaking your head to join. If you have any clarifications, please do call. Even if you're not joining, not a problem. But if you have any clarifications, please do call. And if you think you want to join and still you want something to understand about the financial thing as well, so that also we can help you. There are a lot of other ways to get into this. So we can help you in lot many other ways as well. But if you are really thinking about data analytics and if you want to enter to this career, please do call us. We are there to give any kind of suggestions. Okay, people, all of you. All right, so let's move on. Okay. So people, now all of you stop messaging or something. Now the next task is about reporting dashboard techniques. Let me minimize this. I'll go to this Power BI. Okay. I will just remove this. I'll take the one which I've done because that's very neatly done so that it will be easy for us to create the report. So what I'm doing now, I am just going here to this format. Okay. And here I'll say background. I'll remove this background. I'll remove all this. I'm just deleting all this, but I'm taking the image which I've created. Browse. And I'll go here. I think image will take this image here. Okay, I'm taking this image. So people, it's the image which I have created. So you can also take the same image so that it will be easy for you to create the reports. Okay. Now you just see here. I'll go and I'll say it's normal. I'll say fill or fit. Let it be. I'll just go here, minimize all this. Say people, this is the layout what I have. And here I have imported the data also. Now we'll try to create the reports. So you understood why I took this image because while designing, I was not so happy with the design what I had done. Now which I've taken here, it's a very neatly done. So I've taken some time. So I've taken this image. So you can also take the same image and you can create. Now, for me, I want the report here, total sales, total profit. And here we have this orders, customers, right? How to do this? See here, we'll go to this. You can see in this visualization, I have, say, this one, card. Let me click on this card. When I click on this card, you can say I'm getting something like this. What do I need? Total sales, right? Now, let me go here and I will take the sales. Can I say this? I have the sales. I'll click on this. I'm getting this total sales. Let me minimize this. And if I keep it here, is it looking good? It's not good. Say, even though you are not so good in designing, you're just learning, still you're not liking it, right? As a client, you're not liking it. What I'll do, I'll try to format this. You know how I'll format? See here, I'll go, double click on this. It'll take me to the format. You can see that I have this character, say category label. I just remove this. The label is gone. And I'll select here the background. I'll remove this background. See, and let me select this value. And here I'll say Arial. Let me reduce this to 20. And let's resize this. And I'll bring it in like this. See, I don't you think it is looking good? If you still want to move it somewhere, see. Looking good? Yeah. Now, suppose if you want to give the same color, what I have the color here, same color to this. I want to give the same color. Usually, you know what happens? Here, But to check the color in Power BI, it's slightly difficult. Say I'll go here, the font color. So I'm selecting this font. See, I have this font color. See, want to match this here, something like this. If you want the exact color, what should I do? Let me go back to my PowerPoint. Okay. In this PowerPoint, I will select this. Remember that we've taken that's say the colors here. I think in the other PPT, not this PPT. Yeah. Remember that we had taken that. Let me select this. This one. Right now, what we'll do, right click and say format shape. Here we have that color, right? See that color, or you can go here and the color. I'll say more fill colors. Click on this more fill colors. If you go here, you can see that I'm getting here. I have this hexa value. Copy this value. Just say Control C, the hexa value, and then I'll come back to that Power BI. Here I have this color, right? The more color. Can you see your hexa value? Yeah, paste it. Say enter. Done. Over. Now what I'll do is I'll go here, Control C, Control V. I'll keep it here. Control C, Control V. Again, Control C, Control V. Quickly, we just took that card. Now we'll change the values that we can do. Let me select here. I'll get one small icon here that is for build. Click on this. Now, what is that I need? Profit. Instead of the sales, I'll go here. I'll select this profit. See, done. Over. Now I want total customer. I'm just changing the columns. That's it. Total customer. Now, when I say total customer, I want unique values. I have almost some 10,000 records here. I cannot say 10,000 clients. I say 10,000 customers. In that, there will be some duplicate values, right? Now, what I'll do, you just see here, I'll go select and here I'll go to build. Say I'll select customer ID. Okay. You can see that customer ID here. It is not a number. It is a text. But what I can do is, can you see here, when I selected this customer, I have a small, arrow here. Click on this. Here, I will go and I'll say count distinct. Count means it will count all the values, whether it is duplicate or not. I'll say count distinct. When I say count distinct, what happens? See here, unique values. That means 793 unique customers are there. Let me select this. What is it I need? The orders. Go here and here I'll say orders. The order ID. This also I'll make it as unique. Say count list. See, I have the total profit. I have the unique customers and the total orders. I need to change the color, right? What I'll do, I'll go here. Let me select this. Select here. I want this to be green color. I'll go to the PPT quickly. Select this, right click and say more colors. Or we'll go here. More colors. Can you see that? I have this hexa value. Copy this. Here. You got an idea how actually we can easily do this? This is how actually you should do. These are all very simple things. No one will teach you these kind of things. Let me select here this one. Now I want this color, the pink color here. I'll go here. I'll say more colors. Hexa seconds. And we'll go here. More colors. Paste it. The next one, the blue color, select, right click, or we'll go here, more colors. Copy this and select more color, paste it. See, right? How neat it looks now. How much time it took? Within few seconds or say within few minutes. But again, I'm telling you, data is clean. If data is not clean, we have to do a lot many things. Right. Now I want to create some visualizations here. The total sales, the total profit, and the orders. So what I'll do, I'll go here. You have to decide now whether I should create pie chart, column chart, or something. Let me take this clustered column chart. People, I have one gift for you people. In that, I have all the visualizations, somewhere around 48 visualizations are there. When to use, how to use, everything is there. The textbook is there. You can download that and you can use it. Now I have this visualization here. Now what I'll do, this is for what? The total sales. Let's assume that we are taking this for we'll take it for ship mode. Okay, you can have the ship mode and sales. Any column you can take. I'm just taking one of the columns here. Now let's select this. I don't want the heading here. I just remove this heading. Say title. Remove. Because already I have the title here, right? Total sales. Then here, let's say I'll select here. Background will remove. I'll keep it like this. Okay. Select this. I'll make it as white color. This one also will change to white color. Quickly, I'm just doing all this. So just create for one. See. Now I will copy this. As well, always tell first you'll have to, or it'll become very. See. Suppose I want to change this to profit. Let me select here. And here I'll say change this to profit. See, this is the profit. Now let me select this. I want this to be unique orders. Let's go here. Sum of sales, I'll say order ID. Okay. And here I'll make it as distinct count. See. Right. So creating reports are very easy. You just have to understand what actually we are doing. Now I need a title here. What's the title given here? Let's say sales dashboard. Okay. Go to insert. Can you see a text box? Click on this text box. And here I'll say sales dashboard 2024. Drag it and we'll put it. Is it looking like a heading? That's normal text actually. So what I'll do, I'll make it bold. And let me select this Arial black. And let me increase this. So 18. Okay. Now I'll remove the back. Let me select this. And then I'll go here to the font color. Font color here. And we'll select something. See, looking good. You can, have some more, say, still a little more bigger colors, whatever you want, you can see. Likewise, we can actually. The next one is say, I want to add some filters. Say, based on region, I need to get all these reports to be filtered. Now here, if you go to this visualization, see, I have this filters here. That's called a slicer. Let me select the slicer, and I'll keep that slicer here like this. Okay, I will select the region. I want this to be like a drop down. Then I'll go to this properties. Okay, slicer settings. Here I'll say drop down. See, if you want to remove the background, you can remove the background. If you want to use some colors, you can use the colors. Now, if you just observe this, see, click on this east. Can you see the reports? See, I want one more filters. Copy this, paste it. I'll just keep it here. Now let's say I'll take this category. And I want this to be like a list. See, now suppose I want one more filter. I'm just giving you some ideas. That's it. Okay. One more filter, but that should be like a year, say 2015, 16, 17, 18. But I want that like a button. Then what I'll do? I'll go here. Let me copy this. Paste it. Just observe. I'll just keep this here. And here you have this order date. I click on the hierarchy. Can you see this here? Select this here. I'll remove this category. I have this here. I'll go to this style here. Can you see? I have this tiles. Okay. See this? See? Let me minimize all these pans. See now? Don't you feel it is looking good? Simple. So what I'm actually doing now is with the clean data, I'm just showing you how to create the reports. But people, you got an idea. Now I'm not telling that I taught you all the complete Power BI. It is like I'm just giving an idea that you can make dashboards in a very simple way to look more advanced. So similarly, I have this file. Okay, I'll be sharing this file with all of you. Okay, not this file. I've already shared this file with you. Say, if you go to my folder, let me just show you. In this folder, for your reference, okay, I already have the project which is already completed. Refer this because we don't have much time now. But I feel that at least I've given the idea that how actually you can start creating the dashboards. If you just go and check here, that will get opened in Excel. How to do? Say, if anybody is interested to learn about this Excel dashboards complete with this, people in my YouTube channel, let me just show you. You go to my YouTube channel. Okay. This project, whatever is there, the entire project I have given. Entire project. Let it open. I'm just showing you the link. Okay, if you think you want to work, the entire link is there, or I can also share it. You can go, you can subscribe. I don't know, it's been very long. I just try to search and I'll see playlist dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Yeah, see here. How to go to the dashboard? See dashboard. Let me just see if I can go there. Okay, let me just click here directly. Show you. See people, if you go to this video, I have given all this how to actually create the the layouts and things like that. So if you think you want to learn about this, you can go here and you can check this. The list of series of things are there. What I'll do is I'll just send you that entire playlist only in the group so that people can go and you can learn about those things. See, and I have all the dashboards which I just showed you, right? All these are here. These are all dashboards actually. Okay, you can go and you can check. See, this is the complete series actually. You can go, you can check this. Let me show you. I'll just open this and I'll show you. See, this dashboard. Okay, this is in Excel. The complete dashboard is there. So how to do this? I've just given complete video is there. It's a series actually. Some 7 to 8 series is there. So I can send you this. You can learn completely on this for the same data. So whatever I given that step by step, I given that video here. So I'll be sending you because we don't have time. And again, people just 1 hour, 2 hour or something by teaching, I cannot make the people work completely. Okay. So I feel that to my best of the best, I try to at least give you an idea about how actually you can work on this. Okay. Well, now, before I go to next slides, okay, I'll not take much time. I know it's Sunday. People, can you hear me? People, can you hear me? Okay, sorry. I think because of the network issues. Right. So I was just asking now, seeing all this, okay, right from the designing to the dashboarding techniques, reporting techniques. So how do you feel now? You have that confidence that yes, we can do a lot of advanced dashboards. But anyways, I'll be sending you the still the screen is frozen, is it? People? Are you people able to hear me? At least. Right, people, now can you hear? I mean, can you see the screen? Now is it visible? Okay. Right, people, it's raining here, so I think because of that, some technical issues. Okay. Right, people. Now, anyways, you people are more interested in certificate, bonus, and things like that. Right, so let me just also finish few things. People, there is one advanced Excel class starting from next week. Was supposed to start today because some of them actually requested for the dashboards. So if anybody is interested, okay, you can please call me. I'll not tell you, register now or there is some offer or something. I don't do that. But for this career accelerator, people, I'm telling you, that is because we are actually thinking that, most of the people who are going to most of the places, they're not getting the right skills. But if you see the skills, what actually we are giving, that is what the real industry is looking for. Don't just go learn some Excel or say Power BI or something. Learn something what the real industry is required. So for that reason only, we are actually having a separate kind of course with experience. That is Career Accelerator. But this Excel is Excel with 365. That is Microsoft Office 365 is what we are actually teaching. Okay. All right. So people, I just showed you this Career Accelerator, right? Similarly, I have something called as mega bundle with the 27 courses which I have recorded. All the courses, but this is e-learning, not offline class. How many of you would be interested for this? This is just 4,999 rupees. Okay, let me just show you what it includes and then you can decide. See, it is 4,999 rupees with GST. I'll just show you all the courses. You can just go through that. See here. These are the courses what you have. All these are the courses which I have recorded. It's not anything where we downloaded or something, which is in depth, like what we teach. But only thing is, these are all e-learning. E-learning, and you get the certificate. That is, it will be mentioned as e-learning, which you'll not get like experience letter, no placement assistance. Okay, but you will get the support in our community class. Any doubts, anything we'll clear. For this, it will cost you 4,999 rupees. So here is the link where you can go. You can purchase that if you want. But this is completely in depth of the class. So you can go here and you can also check for the video. We are given the preview as well. You can go and you can check. See here, all the videos are there. And for that, practice materials are also there. Okay, so you can check that as well. All these are actually the videos which I have recorded for the people who cannot afford to say, it's too much actually. Some people think that 45,000 is too much. I just want to learn and, get the knowledge of all the courses. All the courses are there here. You can purchase that. Okay. All right. Now coming to the bonus. Okay. People, I will be giving you the bonus and I'll show you what bonus you have. Already I've sent a image, what all you'll be having. These are the bonuses what you are getting. 150 Excel templates, 1,000 Excel templates. These are all predefined templates which you can readily use. And then I have this DAX one book is there. Along with that, we have all the chapters with the files. Complete chapter with all the files with complete advanced DAX. To what level it is, I'll just show you. I'll just show you one of the. See here. You can't even imagine the kind of DAX functions, Let me just show you one DAX function, how big it is. And you can get this as well, say. See, it's too advanced. You will get this. No charges for this. Okay. So this is there in the bonus. And then you have ChatGPT prompts for job seekers in LinkedIn or something what you can actually use. ChatGPT prompts which I have actually created for Excel or something. So that is there. Excel all functions. See, this is what I have done. This is for my purpose I had done. So that I'll be sharing it with you people. See, this is completely what is actually for me, which I have done for myself, which I'll be sharing it with you. For all the formulas that, almost 1000 the prompts are there. The Excel Bible is there, a complete Bible 2019 with practice file. See, that also I'll show you. See, chapter wise. And here you have this mastering the Power BI. This is one more book. Complete Power BI book is there. It's a very big book actually. Okay. Then keyboard shortcut keys. Interview questions, 500 plus interview questions are there. Okay, this one. This I have done actually. I've collected and I have taken. So some of them are actually the questions which I have prepared. Some are actually collected from some of my students where they've gone for interviews. Okay. So all these are there. So this is the bonus what we have. This is completely downloadable. I have the link. I'll share the link. But for that, what you have to do, fill this form. Okay, there is a form. Let me just give the link for you. Okay, the feedback form. Please fill this. I'll put that in the chat box. Okay. So there's a feedback form. This is the course link. If anybody wants to connect with us, you can also connect with us with the LinkedIn. And I'll share the link as well. Okay. So what you have to do to get the bonus. I close the PPT. Can I close the PPT? Okay. Let me open that PPT again. Right. So fill that. I'll be sending you the certificate. Okay. I'll be giving you the certificate, but that certificate you post it in your LinkedIn. Okay. And tag me so that you will also get some network and I'll also get some network. Also send me the screenshot. I will be giving you the link for this bonus. And it is completely downloadable. I'm telling you, all these you can download, and none of them are actually like copyrighted and all. It's all mine. Okay, so you can use it. If you want to use it, you can use it, but do not sell it. Because I saw some of them actually selling my videos. So I actually bought them and again I want them. So you can use it for yourself. You can give it to your friends, not a problem, but don't charge them because whatever knowledge you're sharing, so let it be, you're getting some free, so give it for free. Don't make it a business. If anybody interested in working with us like a business, please let us know. We have a separate kind of thing where you can share some business with us. So that also I can help you. You can learn, you can earn. That also I can help you. But for these kind of bonuses, do not charge because I'm giving it gift for you. Okay. Right. So yesterday I discussed about us and all this. I'll not again walk you through. Just skip this. And about Sri Vidya, she was supposed to come, but she couldn't attend this session. So she's also our senior analyst who has got more experience. So she has also got her Microsoft certifications and she's awarded the best trainer of the year and few awards. Okay. Right. So here we have the community channels. So please join the community channels. You have a lot of free, classes like this, and we keep conducting the free classes. So we are trying to conduct more frequently, but the problem is like we'll be held up with so many client meetings or say projects, students, and now we also have some career accelerator for improving their skills. So we might be on and off, sometimes, but I'll be keep posting something very useful for you people. Okay, and you can follow us on the LinkedIn. Okay, I'll be sending you this PPT. You can just click on this. It will take you to the LinkedIn. Okay, so here you can follow us. Okay, all right. So thank you people so much. And before we end the session, the feedback, quick feedback, all of you, how was the session? Certificate will be sent to you. Don't worry. Certificate I'll send you. Don't worry. Soft copies will send. Anybody needs hard copy, you can also mention that. I've mentioned there. Okay. All right, people. So how was the session? The entire session? Just one more minute. That's all. After that, I'll leave you. You can go happily enjoy yourself. People wants to leave, you can leave, no problem. Sure, I'll send Sumit. Don't worry. In our link, okay, that say Telegram link, I'll be Telegram channel. I'll be sending all the links because a lot of things to send. So I'll be sending all the links so that we can use that. Okay, and anybody okay interested in career accelerator, please do call us. We'll surely help you people in getting things done. Which link, Manju? Please mention. People, anybody is interested in a career accelerator, please do call us. We will surely help you people in any ways you actually want. Okay. So any clarifications also, you can contact us. We are there. We'll surely help you people in getting things clarified. Thank you. Thank you so much. Feedback link. Yes, hard copy you will get. Anybody wants hard copy, please let us know. We will courier that. No worries. Right, people. Thank you so much. So anything you need a clarification, please do call us. So we will surely help you people in clarifying things. Okay. So have a great Sunday. See you guys in the next session. Soon we'll be arranging some more sessions like this. So please attend the session and don't miss. Please be in our community channel so that anything classes I'll be keep updating. Okay. Right, people. Thank you so much. Bye bye.